In today's video, I got nuclear cancer! This is motorslice. Anyways, we've got this person, and we gotta climb a robot and then kill him, and why is there another robot with us? Also, I'm a woman. Holy shit, these graphics are pretty good! Holy moly, can I increase them? Oh my god, let my PC blow up. Oh, they're ultra. Why did I just jump? What? Snap? Cinematic? Oh my god, this is cinematic as fuck. Yeah, definitely. I love using chainsaws. We love chainsawing people at my work. Because they're racist cheeseburger. Runs at a time I almost got killed by a cheeseburger because it was in my house and I was stepping towards it like Minecraft. You are not going to know that reference because screw you. Oh, that's not very nice. Why is he... What the... Who knew who knew machinery could do that? Who knew machinery could attack like Dark Souls or some shit? What? Why is the flashlight coming from my camera and not like from my person? It reacts to light. That is crazy, Ashley. It's like, would you stop blinding me? Please, God! I just jumped off the... God damn it! Oh, wait, what? That's cool. It makes sense, I guess. They have a reason for death and coming back to life and shit. That's funny. Stop being over dramatic. As she just got murdered because of my fault, honestly. Is there no first person? What if there's first person? A lens blink? Scan? There is so much. Oh, not available. Demigorgon? Apparently I got nothing? God damn it. Oh, we have to hold it. No! Terrorism! Ooh. Let's claw these shits. Oh god. Oh, this would be great. Speedrunners would love this game. This is literally like Dark Souls or something. Like dodge rolling and the multiple... I just got absolutely murdered. This is great music. Wait, bro! I'm dodge rolling! I mean, I guess that makes sense because they're literally, oh my god. God damn it! Horrible at this game. Penis wants to talk. No, that's not. No, that is. God, I'm a giggly ass move. I got. God damn it! Teaching a child how to kill someone with a chainsaw is not that easy, guys. I'm the child. Jesus, like, I probably shouldn't just run into the danger though. Maybe I should just try not doing it. Oh, yes! I'm covered in oil. Or a robot. I'm like a bunny, bro. I'm like a bunny. I feel like a bunny. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? You just see this random person just jumping about like, hey, this is McDonald's. What the fuck are you doing? Sonic the Hedgehog? What happened to you? Let's go. I'm getting better. Oh, we get the climbing. Oh, we get the climbing. Where are you going? God damn it. I got insta kill. God. What am I doing? God. Come on now. He missed. He hit the pole. Can I jump through the and not go with the other stuff? It's like a fence. Couldn't I just run across that? Wait, pause. Now don't kill yourself. Where are you going? Oh, you just have to literally... I'm having a stroke? That is cool, but I just jumped off again another time. God. Pardon me, guys. I swear they're getting faster. I'm not crazy, right? God damn it! Let's go. I tried to dodge! How easy to deal with those, but not the other ones. I mean, Jesus now. Bring back Jesus, guys. He should be added to Fortnite. Like, I mean, we added Barack Obama, right? To Fortnite? Barack Obama versus guy from Fortnite. Jesus. They're aggressive. They're aggressive. I'm aggressive. Alright, let's go. There's a checkpoint. That's not good. Well, you just want to go peek? You just want to take a peek? Do you want to go up there? Or can we even go up here? God damn it, I'm so stupid. Oh, this is just a great game, honestly. I love it. Cracks can be used to climb. Oh, this is just damn. I mean, just jumping. This is nice. A little odd kind of camera thing, but you don't have to accidentally fall off. Oh, where am I going? Come on, yes. I feel quite relaxed. This is like a relaxing game. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh shit. No, it's fine. It's fine, guys. I'm just climbing. It's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. Where the fuck am I? It's not fine. I gotta do it again? I gotta do it again! This is like a relaxing game. What? Waluigi, what? What's up here? What is that a damn camera? What is that? Is that like... Would you... Orbitaned. I just killed myself. Speed run, speed run, speed run. There. Let's go. Am I waiting to like sneeze? Look at that! I am like getting way better than before. God! Jesus! Get off the cliff! Get off the cliff! Stop that! Stop that! It's doing nothing. Do we need air purifying? Do we jump up there? Oh, I just killed myself. Great job. Thank God there's a checkpoint. Alright. Oh, I forgot I should roll before when I'm jumping. You gotta be kidding! I don't know what you mean. Nothing happened. You're crazy. Oh God. Wait, could you even roll on this pipe? I don't think that would kill you, wouldn't it? Do I have to go? I have to go down. Oh my God. Where? Why Why is just where are my? Am I in the machine? Actually, is that where I am? Where's the galvanized steel squares? Can I get up here? No, I can't. Where am I going? Ow. That's not nice. There's a door. There's a door. I do have a door. Damn, it's locked. I mean, I have a chainsaw. What do you mean the door's locked? God, this game's so much. God. Anyways. Oh, I'm supposed to roll. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Oh my god, I'm stupid. I'm just like, no, come on. Oh my god. Oh no. Not timing. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go! Oh my god. More timing puzzles? I think I can just jump right here without being like stuck. Come on. No hitbox. Let's go! Let's go. Jesus. Ow, I keep forgetting to dodge roll. Or not really dodging. Oh. What's this doing? Where am I? Take dementia. Yeah, thanks. Very helpful. Come on. Oh my god, how am I touching? Hit this. Come on. Where am I going? Nice. It's a door. I mean, I could ask nicely, or I can use the thing on my back. Or I didn't. Saw this short down. Short. Yep, short. Where am I? Why is it dark all of a sudden? You just turn off the lights when you exit? Is that how that works? I missed. Take the light! Epilepsy! 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 How? I just jumped off. I just jumped off. I'm like literally walk normally. You could literally I didn't. There's literally one right here. Oh. This damn get go get scram. Oh. This is abnormal. How are my legs broken? What was even a far drop? My legs just instantly shattered. Why is it two? How am I supposed to get down there? Where am I going? Nice, I can slack off. Let's go, my one quality skill. Being lazy.
Intro says we have an interference. But wasn't Batten Tech supposed to be motorproof?
I don't fucking know. I have to ask the robot. What do you mean replace your headset? It's bland. You turned off.
Made of
they are slacking just like you.
Looks like
Stop it.
Operator G is just...
I wasn't really slacking off right now. You didn't even sit down and be lazy. That's how you be lazy. Speed run, speed run, speed run. I just... How did you just die? Die! Coward! This is... call the cops. This crazy woman with a chainsaw beating a robot. The woman just killed herself. Oh, hi, cat. What are you doing, cat? Days, what are you doing? Why is... I just... You... What? Pause. What are you saying, Days? 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 What do you mean my taxes have been filed? I don't have taxes. What do you mean I have taxes? Don't just look away. Don't lay down. Stop grooming yourself. Dang. You gotta be kidding me. She's taking a bath in the middle. Dang! Oh God, it almost just murdered me. It's almost like I could roll. It keeps just not doing it. This is where it came in from. Oh, I almost thought I killed myself. What does this do? Can I pull this? I can. Did that do anything? Come on now. What did that do? Oh. No, you go up. Do we have to kill him? I don't think we do, but I'm trying. Angry little fucking robot. I don't know why I call it a fucking robot. What does the robot do? Sir! Or... Excuse... Who over there? Who's over there? I'm pointing. Imagine I'm pointing. Who? Damn it, I'm an owl. It's supposed to, like, the floor is supposed to crack or something. Why am I up here? Oh, I saved. That bullshit. Why is there a robot in a pen, bro? I don't know how I can die. How am I not dying? Where am I? Where am I? Hey, where are you? Look at the light! Hands on the wall! Hands on the wall! What's your name? Who are you? Hey! I think I'm going insane. Am I supposed to go down? What's the point? Oh my God, I just died. It wasn't even that much of a fall. I mean, I know you fall on the hand railing, but I don't think that breaks all your bones. Over there. You! Hey! 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 The land! The floor! How am I supposed to hit you or something? Like, hello? What's the point of this? Am I not supposed to jump off? It's like a tunnel and stuff. Let's go down these stairs. Parkour. Oh, fucking bunny. Sorry again. I forgot about how to. Oh yes, let's just go up the wall. Oh, the chainsaw isn't working. What am I doing? Why? Why did you just decide to do a suicide? Come on now. Chainsaw. Tire. Why is it? Jesus. Why is there a tire here? Bye, tire. Let's go. I actually did it without having a heart attack and dying. I'm blind. That's what. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Move! Jump! Jump! Don't go backwards. I didn't think. It's dark when you can't see it. And then you start echolocating real quick. What are the glasses echolocate? Not a bat. Yeah, no. I don't want to do that. Let's go. Oh, there's a saw on the side. This is a boss fight. Ain't no way this isn't a boss fight. Why is there just who shit in the floor? I guess. Holes. What the fuck?
Hey, look. I found some weird holes.
What? I would not touch the holes. Come on now.
Are they connected to something?
I swear this game wants to show ass pics.
Maybe the whole structure is connected?
No shit, that's how a building works. Yeah, guys, these holes just... Yeah, they're connected. I guess it just goes to the dark hole. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, almost just died. I hate this door. I hate this door. I move. Move. What is this? Am I not supposed to use the stairs? Is there like someone going to throw some like barrels down like Donkey Kong? Ugh. What if I didn't go over there? Yeah, catch your breath on these stairs. I hope you don't fall down the stairs. That is very anti-pragmatic. Anti-pragmatic. Fuck. You see this? You're a big old car. You see this? Oh. Excuse me, you're gonna... Yeah, try to run over me. Where am I supposed to jump up? Here? I'm under the car now. Oh, where is this? Oh, shit. Oh, that's cool. Is anyone else gonna stop me, or... Oh, this is... Whoa. What is it trying to do? Like, kill me? Well, yeah, but... That's not like... Who does this? I mean, someone obviously, but this is a 10 out of 10 game, kinda, you know? No! Stop, you go right. You know your left and right? You know your left. Watch out for the suicide shaft. Unless you're supposed to go down the suicide shaft. I guess you are. What the? Help! Help! What was that? What? I don't know. No! Excuse me! Oh god, I have to go up again. You gotta be kidding me. Hey, wait up. Come on. What are you doing? Forward. What is this damn robot doing? You think there's better effectiveness stuff than just like sideways? God. Oh my god, I spawned up here. Where am I? This is not where I spawned. No, turn! What are you doing? Trying to fuck the corner? Come on now. I'm gonna get crushed by a wheel. Yay. Let me into the wheel. I'm really bad at this game. Being bad is an understatement, honestly. God, you literally the second. Oh my gosh. I died twice. God. Finally, holy shit. Let's go. What am I supposed to do up here? Oh, come on now. I didn't even know what he was doing. Now what? Now what? Oh, you're supposed to cut off the head, right? Is that with it? I guess? Maybe? Oh, yeah. Wait, why does cutting off the head turn into dust? That's not how that works. Say the 600, I'm gonna give you a call. Don't leave me on voicemail! Let's go! Thank you, too, for making this game. Holy moly! Yes! Oh my, is that we're supposed to fight this next? Oh my god. Fuck no. No, fuck no, slice it. No, kill yourself. Finally, more than one person. Holy.
Motorslice. Wish list now.
Yeah, I already have a wish list right here. 45 deaths. I collected the orbs. Oh, that's it. I checked the chapters. Not available, not available, not available. Oh my, there's 9? 9! And I just played 1? Alright then, if you want more, hit that like and subscribe or some shit. I'll probably still play it anyway. Here's the people who made it. Pricing a low amount of people for this game, I feel like. Well, no, that's probably normal, actually. I'm just crazy. Crazy? They locked me in a room with a rat!